Carbide scraper kit.
Oh yeah. I like the little foam insert. That's cool.
They're sharp. They're nice. Comes in 2 sizes.
That is pretty. That was pretty groovy, man. That's pretty cool.
Is it sharp?
It's sharp as. I was like trying to like rip it off, but I was like, man, is that like a edge protector, like a plastic to keep it sharp? But that's the edge. That's the edge. That is Gucci. I like that. Get yourself a good set of carbide scrapers. I have a couple other ones. I got the, I think I got the snap-on one with the little triangle blades. You can actually get different shaped blades for it. I only ever use the triangle one, really. But my only question is, I really like these. The handles are slick too. How long is it gonna last? And what do I do when it gets dull? Can I resharpen these? Do I gotta get them like machined? But we'll torture test them. We'll try them out. Got an engine job coming up here. We'll give these a shot. And I like that they got the 2 little wits here that come in the kit. So